What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another video, another wig review, and it's really no shade. I know I've been gone for some time, y'all. I've been busy. Busy, and more busy. But I'm back. I'm working. I'm finishing out the year, just straight pumping out videos, content, because that's just what I love to do. I love to be in my content element. I like to be home. When I travel a lot, I slow down on the content, so I'm in the house for the rest of the year. I promise. Don't quote me, but that's the goal. So today, Asteria has sent me a busy bust down. This wig is so dope. The lace on this wig was everything. As you can see, before I even tinted it or anything, it was already melting into the skin. This wig was pre-colored. I did not color this wig. Y'all know I'm not coloring no hair. I be tired over it. Shout out to my boho products. Y'all know I love my skin protectant before I use any adhesive. Y'all need to use skin protectant before you put glue on your skin. I don't know why we're still talking about that in 2022, going on 2023, but we're going to keep telling y'all till y'all do right, because when you know better, you do better, child. We're not keeping this wig on long, so I did go in with my Extreme Cream original formula, and I did about 2 layers, maybe 3, I'm not sure. Y'all know I never really have a set amount. I just go until I feel like I don't need to anymore. But with Gabby, you know, she doesn't like her wigs too secured on. She never leaves a wig on more than 3 days. So I only did about 2 to 3 layers, real thin. But also, I noticed when I use less adhesive and I apply thinner layers, the wig stays on longer. So y'all really need to get into that less is more saying when it comes to applying this glue. Y'all put so much glue and the wig still be lifting. I'm telling you, try it a different way, period. So I really applied it thin and flat. I wanted that new cap to give bald vibes because I was plucking. I really over plucked this wig. I really created a hairline. I'm taking it to the next level when it comes to plucking. I'm trying new things and I'm kind of into it. I don't feel like I haven't mastered. I feel like I still have to practice, but y'all will see as I go the growth as far as the plucking, creating that hairline, just making it look less wiggy, and it's really no shade. So after melting this lace down and letting the adhesive fully dry, now I'm going in with my mini scissors and I'm just cutting this lace off in sections. A new goal that I've really been working on is trying not to cut the lace straight across. Even when we're using our razors or our razor edges, we still be getting that straight across line. So I've noticed that you really have to get into those dramatic curves to make the hairline look more realistic. And I've been really satisfied with these outcomes. I'm going to keep trying them, keep trying different curves, different hairlines. And I'm really getting into it, and it's no shade. So yes, I definitely cut this lace off in pieces. I'm definitely into melting. So you gotta go on with that blow dryer, that comb, and just really make sure that lace is melted into that skin as flat as possible. And it's really no shade. Now I'm going in with my mousse. Y'all know I love my mousse to make everything flat. Sometimes I have that natural lift on y'all wig and it makes it look wiggy. I want mine to look like a fresh perm. And it's really no shade. So I just go in, I mousse it. I'm combing these hairs back. I applied a little bold hold lace jelly. I also sprayed the lace because that's also a part of the melting. But instead of just spraying a bunch of hairspray across the face, I'm spraying my finger and I'm dabbing it into the lace because less is more. I don't want the wig to be sticky. I want it to look as natural as possible. But that spray is going to help with that melt. But too much spray can make it look wiggy. So spray your finger, dab it across the hairline, and tie it down. Less is more. I did go ahead and put layers in this hair with my razor comb. I just did a few layers in the front and I also sprayed this hair with some spritz because it helps the curls last longer. And then I went in with my Baby Bliss 1 inch and I just went in and did my curls. You guys already see me do curls. Go check out my previous videos if you want to see more detailed videos on the curls, and it's no shade. get into this melt. I did not do the molds. I didn't use any tape. I didn't use any clear glue. I just plucked it good, and I used 2 layers of my extreme cream. Get into the zoom action. Get into the no filter. Get into this widow's peak. Like, can we talk about widow's peak? Can we talk about strategic plucking? Can we talk about hairline realness? Shout out to me for trying new things. Shout out to Gabby for killing this hair. She was nervous to wear this color. I was a little nervous too. It gave like almost hair store initially, but we rocked it out and we made it real cute, real bad. So shout out to Asteria hair. We love this wig. We love the lace on this wig. And y'all check it out. Let me know. The details for this wig will be in the description below. Shout out to my SBM gang. We're growing and we're glowing. And it's really no shade. Bye, y'all.